In this quick video, we're going to look at Ingrid Connect's personal or consumer mode. If we open up the main menu, you'll notice that there are two icons or two sections, personal and business. That's because both you as a business and your customers will use Ingrid Connect. Your customers will use it to receive your posts and promotions and coupons, and you will use Ingrid Connect to create them. When a user first logs into Ingrid Connect, they go straight into the personal mode. And if you look at the bottom tab, the personal mode has 5 sections to it: feed, badge, my coupons, vendors, and the intercom. The main section is the feed, and the feed is kind of like a Facebook or Twitter feed. And the key point here is that your customers will see promotions and information from all the businesses that they've connected with in their feed. So it's not just yours. And this is actually very advantageous for your business, because if Ingrid Connect was only serving your business and your customers, chances are your customers would not be using the app on a daily basis. But by receiving information and coupons and promotions from all the businesses that they've connected with, of course that includes your business, chances are your customers will use Ingrid Connect more frequently and maybe on a daily basis. And that's our objective. With that said, the first item that we're looking at in the feed is a coupon. We know that because in the middle we see the coupon's expiration date, and there's a blue button that looks like a pair of scissors that allows your customers to save it. So if we look at the next item in the feed, you'll notice that it doesn't have that expiration information or the button. So that's a regular post. So if we go back to the first item and tap on that blue button, you'll notice at the bottom that the coupon has been saved. And if you look at the third icon in the bottom tab, it says My Coupons. And we tap on it, there's the coupon we just saved. And your customers can either remove the coupon by clicking on the button that looks like a garbage bin, or by clicking the green button, they can redeem it. And when they redeem a coupon, two things will happen. The first is that you will get notified that this particular customer, you will receive the customer's name, has just redeemed the coupon. And the second thing is that that information will go into the analytics data. And this is how you will gauge the effectiveness of your coupons and your campaigns. Ingrid Connect will not only give you the big picture, it will not only tell you how many of your customers have either collected or redeemed or both that particular coupon, but you'll be able to drill down and get actual names of each and every customer who has collected the coupon or redeemed it. Now, the icon that we just skipped as we were looking at these two screens is the badge. And what's interesting about this, this feature is that each and every one of your customers gets a unique QR code, and that QR code identifies that particular customer. And this is actually a very important feature, and we think you'll be using it quite often. The first thing that you'll do with it, of course, in the next upcoming version that we'll be releasing shortly, you'll have the quick scan feature that you'll be able to scan this QR code using your iPhone or your Android phone. And this is how you will track your customers' activities and how they interact with your business. For example, how often they come and visit you. But this particular feature actually opens up a whole set of possibilities. And one key feature that's coming up in the next version is what we call gamification. So you'll be able to create these little games, if you will, to help increase your sales and your revenues. For example, you may say the first 2 customers every morning get something for free. It could be just some points, or it could be a free cup of coffee or something like that. And you'll be able to do that by scanning these QR codes. And the idea here is to help you promote your business and make it more interesting for your customers to engage with your business, to use your business more frequently. Now, moving on to the next feature is the vendors feature. And if we tap on that, this is, again, we're still in the personal mode. So this is how your customers will get a list of all the businesses that they've connected with. And if they tap on the company's name, they will get the company's profile. And this is where they'll see all the key information, such as locations and phone numbers and websites. But one thing that I want to point out is in the top right corner. If you look at that, if you tap on that icon, that looks like a chat icon, this is how your customers can actually communicate with you. And this is what we call the intercom feature. And the intercom is kind of like a combination of email and chat. It's kind of like email because they can send you multiple messages, so it's not just one big chat. But it's like chat as well because it's real time. But the key point here is this. Let's say you have added more people to your business account. Let's say you added 2 more people and you put them in your customer service team. When a customer sends a message, all 3 people will get notified, and any one of those individuals can jump in and respond to your customer. So the key point here is that we want to help you respond to your customers in a timely fashion as quickly as possible. So that's why we gave you the ability to create a customer service team and put as many people as you like into that team so that anytime something important happens, such as a customer message, they all get notified at the same time. And it's just that if one person is busy, the other person can jump in and take care of the customer. And of course, the last icon is the intercom, and that's the main inbox. And this has been a short video about the key features of Ingrid Connect's personal mode. Hope you find the information useful. Thank you for watching.